We just got our House of Marbles in small edition. We have small snowflake, red lusted, blue lusted, our opal, lusted rainbow, T-Rex, meteor, different coloured cat's eye, peacock, glitter bomb, and now for some ASMR. Here they are close up.